What is success in copywriting? There are so many myths about getting rich through copywriting. Let me debunk some of them. First of all, copywriting is not about good creative writing. It's not writing poems or novels. It is all about helping your client make money. It's about selling goods and services. To do that, you need to write copy to seduce and convince the purchasing public to purchase something. You need to overcome their objections and motivate them to part with their hard-earned cash today. That's the bottom line. If the reader who is reading your copy does not reach for his or her wallet, then you will fail as a copywriter. So, how much money can you make helping sell goods and services? If you are writing ad copy for your local hardware store or yoga studio, you'll make a few $100s or even a few $1,000s here and there. But that won't add up to 6 figures a year. The real copywriting money is in advertising agencies and direct mail copy. These are the campaigns that are broadcast to millions of households. Most of them are what we call junk mail. It's a numbers game. When as little as 2% of the recipients purchase a product, that's called a success. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.